Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to teach you how to merge columns without using Excel. To get started, go to datarevamper.com, choose file to upload your data sets. Click on load data set to get started. Then come to step 5 to merge your columns. So for this data set, I'm going to be merging street name, district, and states region. I'm going to rename it to location. The separator I need is space. Then I'm going to click on drop source column. I'll click on preview to see the changes I have applied. This is the original data set. We have street name, district, and state region. Then this is the new data set after merging. You can view your data sample, and this is how our output is going to look like. Then I'll go over to download cleaned output, prepare download. I'll click on confirm download to download the cleaned output. This is our data set, guys. We have successfully merged 3 columns together. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like. See you in my next video. Bye.